I know that new tech can seem complicated, so today I'll show you how to master your portable 6.5-inch GPS navigation system. This device is designed to be waterproof with an IP67 rating, meaning it works perfectly even in heavy rain. The large 6.5-inch screen gives you clear visuals for both navigation and other functions. It supports both wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to seamlessly sync your smartphone. This means you can use your favorite apps and maps directly on the screen without any messy cables. The built-in DV or drive recorder helps you record your journeys and serves as a safety monitor on the road. The Moto Monitor feature continuously checks your motorcycle's status so you stay informed while riding. Its Wi-Fi connectivity makes updating maps and sharing ride information quick and simple. Start by mounting the device securely on your motorcycle, ensuring it faces you for easy viewing. Turn it on and follow the simple on-screen instructions to begin setting up your preferences. Connect your smartphone via Wi-Fi to enable both CarPlay or Android Auto integration. Once connected, the navigation function will instantly display clear, easy-to-follow directions. Enjoy the added safety of real-time recording from the integrated DVR system, which captures your ride. With every feature, the device is designed to simplify your journey and reduce stress on the road. I understand that learning new technology can be overwhelming, but each step is made as intuitive as possible. Let's take it one step at a time and start enjoying a smarter, safer ride together. Find the link in the comments to get yours.